Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Todd Rundgren. And we're going to react to the song Hawking. Let's get started.
Whenever I close my eyes, then I don't mind being the way I am. But whenever I try explaining why, I know I never can. Now that it's gone, paths I used to travel, gone, things I used to handle, gone, once I had a choice what to be. But then God kissed me, and I lost it when I fainted in His arms. Have pity on me, brother. I'm trapped behind the mirror. I'm out here on the border, wondering why wasn't I? Maybe my mind wouldn't have come this way if I'd taken my time. Answers only unwind when you can't look away. Maybe 'cause I want the secret broken, I want the casket open, I need to see what no eyes can see. And when God kissed me, then I dreamed that when I fainted in her arms. Now I've got to go on sleeping, leaning a little closer, and I'll tell you when I'm dreaming. I'll tell you what I'm I see time with a beginning, space with an ending. I see bodies strong and running, with minds not comprehending. Have pity on your brother. Please have pity on your sister. Take pity on each other and on every living creature. Have pity on somebody. Whenever I open my eyes, I can't believe it's real. It's a jungle outside. People just survive. They can't reach the high I do. But I know if I can't recover, sister. Take pity on each other. Head on.
Okay, I don't know if it's supposed to end that way, but that's what we have. It seems to be loosely based on scientist Stephen Hawking, if I'm not mistaken, giving some kind of insight into his mind, his mindset, his philosophies of life and science. But an average song.
Yeah.
An average song. I expected, for the duration of the song, I expected the music to be a lot more fulfilling to listen to, but it wasn't. I expected the flow of the lyrics to be a lot more completing, but it wasn't. It left me wanting something better to listen to, which shouldn't have been the case after my first listen. So overall, I would call it a boring song.
No, there was something about the way it was sung. It was lifeless. If I have to really term one thing, it was lifeless. The way it was sung, almost everything in there. There is the piano going on. There are the backup singers. There is him trying to do his best to sound more soul-like. But the only thing I was thinking about many other singers that are very similar in the male genre, this genre, and they could have done so much more with so much lyrics that was given. I know the lyrics weren't even coherent for some reason. So there were a lot of things that were now falling apart in this song. And it reminded me of, we recently reacted to, and it's, where we randomly react to Don McLean, the way he sings, the way the music comes across and everything, the kind of vibe that you get. Paul Simon, he's sometimes when we listen to him solo, he's amazing. Lionel Richie, Stevie Wonder, all of these people, they are amazing, and there are so many other names, Joe Cocker, Billy Joel, and so many singers. Could they have done this song, and how would they sound? I think we all can imagine.
Yeah, if someone like Sir Elton John did this,
Elton John, yeah.
we
With his
definitely
piano.
have heard of this song if it was done by Sir Elton John. But unfortunately, it wasn't, and that's why we have never heard of it before today. Even though it seems to be about such a great person, we've not heard it. What a shame. And Kirti hit the nail on the head when she called it lifeless. It was lifeless. It lacked soul. The lyrics were touching at sometimes. I felt nicely written, but they weren't cohesive.
Especially when the moment would come when God kissed me and all that.
Yeah.
I
And
didn't
even
feel
those
it.
things of having pity on your brother, pity on your sister, the way
And
the word
even the
is
last few lines.
today,
Yeah.
and the mentions of God 3 or 4 times. I liked all that, the way it was written, but it was lifeless. The vocals especially, as well as the music too. That's it for this one though. Thank you for the request for what it's worth. Honesty is the best policy, even if it doesn't work on this platform.
I know.